to talk about recyclability. This is a hot topic that we've been discussing for a while with a variety of OEMs, but it hasn't been until recently that we've really started to make some headway. We're seeing a lot of pull from AAM markets, AAM customers. They really want to leverage some of the existing scrap. And we're seeing, some of the legacy, commercial aerospace manufacturers trying to introduce more thermoplastics into their builds. And the motivation here is, thermoplastics are recyclable. So they're thinking 30 years in the future, how are we going to decommission this platform, or 20 years, whatever it may be. We want to be able to use that material, let alone we want to be able to use any material that is created during a current manufacturing process, any scrap that is created. So we're working with carbon conversions right now, and these images are taken from their website, so thank you for that. But we're really we're working towards chopped as well as non-woven mats in collaboration with several material recyclers. A lot of the focus, the applications, the parts that we're chasing after, they're non-structural. They're interior parts, they're cabin parts. We're using resins and matrices that are great for flame, smoke, and toxicity, FST, things that won't necessarily see a high enduring load because we have not characterized them, similar to some of the traditional materials. But we'll begin working through that. I'm excited to see this happening, and it's great to see people reaching out to Greene Tweed. I think, as I mentioned before, a lot of our expertise is in the molding, it's in the processing of these materials. So, although they're slightly different than what we're currently used to, I think, if we're able to manufacture parts with a discontinuous, high volume fraction, that DLF material has a 60% volume fraction, 70% by weight. If we're able to do that with longer chips, I'm confident that we can do it with a material that's going to have a higher degree of matrix. So right now, again, we're in the early stages. We're manufacturing panels. We're looking to make some simple demonstrator parts, but very excited about this, and we're seeing a lot of attraction. I think it's great to see thermoplastics getting the attention that they deserve from a recyclability and sustainability perspective.